Welcome to an in-depth exploration of one of the most fascinating phenomena in medicine and psychology, the placebo effect. Have you ever wondered how a seemingly inert substance can trigger real, measurable changes in the body? We're diving deep into the mind-body connection. A placebo is defined as an inert treatment, such as a sugar pill, saline injection, or a fake procedure given to a patient who believes it is real medication or therapy. The use of placebos dates back centuries, though the formal study of the, quote, placebo effect became prominent in the mid-20th century to understand its role in treatment outcomes, particularly in clinical trials. The placebo effect isn't just in your head, it triggers genuine neurobiological responses. Let's look at the science behind how this works. The core mechanism is the expectation of relief. If a patient expects a treatment to work, their brain can initiate physiological changes that mimic the effect of a real drug. This is often reinforced by classical conditioning, similar to Pavlov's dogs. Belief, hope, and the reduction of anxiety are powerful psychological drivers. The context of care, a trusting doctor-patient relationship, and a convincing ritual enhances the effect, reducing stress which can exacerbate symptoms. At the biological level, the placebo effect involves complex activity in various brain regions and the release of powerful neurochemicals. When expecting pain relief, the brain releases endorphins, natural opioids that act on pain receptors. Similarly, dopamine is released in anticipation of reward, activating the brain's reward circuits and contributing to well-being. Brain imaging studies show that the prefrontal cortex, which handles expectation, and the limbic system, involved in emotion and memory, are key players in generating the placebo response. The placebo effect is most pronounced in conditions where subjective experience and the nervous system play a large role. It often provides relief in conditions like chronic pain, irritable bowel syndrome, depression, and fatigue, primarily affecting subjective symptoms rather than objective disease markers like tumor size. It's crucial to understand that placebos cannot cure diseases that require specific biological intervention. They are generally ineffective against broken bones, infections, or serious illnesses like cancer. The opposite side of the coin is the nocebo effect, which is equally important in understanding the mind's power over the body. The nocebo effect occurs when negative expectations about a treatment lead to real, measurable adverse side effects or worsening of symptoms, simply due to the anticipation of harm. In conclusion, the placebo effect is a powerful demonstration of the human brain's ability to heal and influence the body through complex biological pathways driven by belief and expectation. Understanding the placebo effect is vital for clinical trials, where it serves as a baseline against which new treatments are measured. Ethical guidelines ensure that no patient is denied necessary active treatment, simply to serve as a placebo control. Ultimately, the placebo effect highlights the profound and intricate connection between our minds and our physical health, reminding us of the therapeutic power of hope and expectation.